So we're dining with mom tonight?
No, she said that since she's not gonna be eating dinner, so I told her that we'll be eating by ourselves. And
Oh, so Fawn was joking.
what?
Fawn was joking.
No, she's gonna go to Central to meet us. And I'm like, because when she's like, where are you going to? What's your plan? And I'm like, I'm gonna take you to Central to find something to eat. She said, oh, I'm going to Central too. I'm like, huh? And then she said, and I'm like, oh, you want to go to Central? Because I want to go to, because I'm going to Central, or you go plan to go to Central? She said, no, she need to buy some stuff for her trip. And I'm like, okay. So I'm like, since you're not gonna be eating dinner, we'll be eating dinner. You don't need. I'm not gonna wait for you for dinner then, because we're gonna be eating something different.
Don't call us, we'll call you.
And Mom said, okay. And she said, you can just take the taxi there. And I'm like, because and then for us, it's raining. Why would you not want to take the taxi? So all this music got into the video and got into that time. You're gonna turn into Thai music?
Doesn't matter.
Even Thai music, they have a copyright. Wow.
Most music has copyright to it. Not a big fan. You know what? I have to. A majority of it goes through. The other part doesn't. So it's not a big deal. But I know how to do it, so. But you know what? That's more interesting? On the iPhone, it's easier to go and loop the music. On the iPhone, I try to go and I'm just doing something.
It's, on the iPhone, it's easier to remove the music?
No, it's easier to loop the music.
To loop the music on the iPhone?
Because I was over there and it had audio, so I hit audio. And then it had repeat, and then just...
But on the
Android
computer?
type of thing, and on the computer, no. So I might go, and I might use this to look at a video and try to do the repeat. I don't know, I have to figure it out. My main thing is just to get it up there. Get it up there and get a good description. That's it. Where are we going in Central World?
Not Central World, Central Bang Na.
Central Park.
Close by, another branch of Central. And you pick what you want to eat.
What if I want squirrel? Or raccoon?
Sure.
Okay. There's a shop for that.
Everything.
What do you feel like having?
No, tonight I'll let you pick the fast food that you want to eat. Sizzler, Pizza Hut.
How do you know I don't want perhaps Japanese food?
Because they're not on one of the choice.
That's a pretty good reason why. Oh, Sizzler's over.
Sizzler, Coco, Ichakaya, the curry
Coco
place.
Walk,
Yeah, but I'm just telling you that you have it here. It doesn't mean that if you don't have it here, it doesn't mean that you're not going to be having it in somewhere else, because there are other places that have it too.
I noticed that, yeah.
But it's a matter of what you like to eat. So Pizza Hut, Sizzler, Coco, Ishakayaban, something like that. What else? Wonton.
No way I'm gonna hit Bonchon.
Why not?
It's Bonchon. I mean, I know it might be different here than there, but I get there.
It tastes different. That's what they say. That's
Very
what
good.
they say. That Wonton here is much better.
Diet spice.
Huh?
I'm gonna hit diet spice.
No, I think it's how the freshness. I think over there they pre-fried it.
Here it's about fresh. Makes sense because the markets and all that.
No, I think it's about the.
No, because people here want to go to the market and get fresh food, fruit, or vegetables. So if you're over there and you're preparing food, if it's not fresh, then people aren't going to come to your thing.
Just like chicken nuggets here in McDonald's. That's why I complain it's so like expensive, but the taste is different. I think it tastes fresher.
Just the ketchup or the chili, sweet chili.
Are you on the Hainanese chicken rice? But tomorrow, baby, I'm not sure if Pat can squeeze your sessions down to like 3 hours. I'm not sure. I didn't expect he gonna be like 5 hours.
Maybe he's just trying to do it all right now, so it's like done.
Otherwise, you
Yeah,
will
just like
have
what
be staying with him, and I'll go out having lunch with my friend. I feel bad because I want to take you there too. It's a buffet.
It's about that.
It's a buffet in a hotel tomorrow.
Well, it's kind of important to get this stuff down. It help me on the
How much you want to learn?
I'm pretty sure he's gonna teach me as much as I can absorb.
I know, but it's 5 hours. It's like I like to design.
I think, you know what, if he's gonna put aside that amount of time, I'm gonna take advantage of it.
Okay.
Because it's just
And then I'll come back and
or can we meet with a friend later?
no, because it's her lunch hour. Her schedule is pretty tight.
Okay, I just checking.
Your moment, your music. Your moment, your music. สนับสนุนโดยต่อเวลา MD ข้อเสนอแห่งปีจาก
I'm not sure if she has to do news anchors after work.
เอาล่ะนักอินไซด์แล้ว สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีค่ะ
Will we see her, like, if we turn on the television tonight?
Yeah,
She'll
I'm
see?
not sure tonight, but I know that her schedule is Friday, definitely.
Oh, so she alternates with it, but yeah.
ใช่เหมือนยังไม่หยุดตกสักทีเลยเนาะมันหนาวอยู่ดีๆก็หนาวมาไฮโซนะบ้านเราตอนเนี้ยปีใหม่ทำอะไรคะ
It's annoying.
Whoa.
The station in Thailand would have to be either the round number or 0.50. No, like 0.1, 0.25, not like that.
จะมาเป็น
That was nice of Note to come meet with us, though.
Oh,
Nope.
he needs to pick up his stuff.
It wasn't. Oh, just come and see. He wanted a Christmas present.
It's not his Christmas present. He ordered it to on.
Oh, one of the things that made it through. Over. I gotcha. Oh, that's what he was talking about. I thought it was like a present. I was like, oh. Okay.
That's why he's like, okay, I got the
Thanks.
grocery certificate, so I need to send it over to me.
Hmm.
So he needs to send it over to me as a shipping fee,
Gotcha.
handling fee,
Gotcha.
shipping and handling.
Yeah, I didn't. I was just like, oh, okay, that's nice of him. I guess he's gonna get it as a Christmas present and then give it back. I was like, okay, I got it. I didn't get that portion of it. I was like, oh, must have been the porn. Threw me off. Because you all were. I don't think you all were joking about that.
I don't think he's gonna say it.
I'm kind of surprised at it.
I was laughing, and he's like, "You can translate it. I don't mind." I'm like, "What?
He spoke good English too.
Special Indonesian school, in the same class as you."
I guess one thing I'm not gonna miss is this traffic.
Huh?
I say one thing I'm not gonna miss is this traffic. It's always busy. I also thought it was interesting how he was. It sounds like his family was really into real estate. It sounded like he was kind of like finding those different.
I remember the time that we went to their house. We stayed overnight.
Up north.
No, their house, his parents' house is not far from my dad's house. It's about like 45 minutes drive from my dad's house.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like in the same area. So when Fon told him that, oh, PA also have an idea of turning the dad's house into Airbnb, he said, so you're gonna be my competitors. Because we are in the same area. I remember that we have like, I don't think we have overnight. We just how much?
Was it?
Did we stay overnight? It seems like I stay overnight.
For some reason.
Fun, somehow.
Hmm.
And we're having like drinking like outside, like it's a nice
night.
weather. It's a nice night. We're having a drink and like talking, and then his aunt kind of showed up and like, okay, joined us, and his aunt like worked in more like executive of one big company, and then she shot the questions to Pat like, oh, okay, so what's your business plan for the next 5 years? We were looking at like, fuck. It's like, nobody ever asked us that questions before. Like, wow.
What happened?
No, because it's like,
No, I'm curious. What happened?
what happened to what? The answer?
Yeah. Was she
I know.
like, or, like nobody?
I think they will just want to know that what's the future of this company that their kids is in.
That makes sense.
That's what it is. Once I want to see that if but to me, I think that his family has a very good, like has a business mindset.
I think so. Because if you don't, you're not doing all these different things. nice though. Say it was like, oh,
Ooh.
that's it.
What?
Should we come around?
Come around where?
Is there like?
No, we are waiting to get inside here.
Hey, is there like a turn? That,
No, we can't. This is the way. Yeah.
That's gonna be a tough one.
Can I just turn because it's gonna block people?
They might be letting you go.
Let me go. I cannot go because it's gonna be blocking people.
Can you turn up here?
I
And then come
cannot. I cannot because maybe I don't have the space to go in. I'm gonna be blocking them.
No, I'm saying go up here on the side, and then come from opposite direction.
No, this is the way to do it. I'm waiting for them to move.
Looks like they're moving in.
Wait, if I'm gonna get in. That's one thing.
Really?
Seriously? Fuck. มึงจะไม่ขยับไปไหนเลยใช่ไหม Okay. You cannot cut me off here. Oh, chicken. Oh, chicken.
Wow.
Oh, they were giving you food for chicken. And the one that outside, how can they eat it? They give food to chicken. The thing is that there are foods outside too, and there are only 2 little chicks outside.
$1,000.
For 10 hours of tennis course. 2,000.
10 hours.
Mm-hmm.
20. What's going on over
Slum.
here? Is this that one area you were talking about?
Mm.
A different area.
And they have a car. This is their car. I'm not sure if it's their own land or they just because they've been like this for ages.
Probably be a lot longer too, huh?
ของสิ่งชื่นชมของพี่ตูนบอดี้สแลมนะคะถ้าหากว่าวันดูน้ำตาซึมตามไปด้วยเลยค่ะผู้ชายที่หัว
Like maybe written it out.
ไม่ใช่แค่วิ่งเพื่อตัวเองอย่างเดียวแต่วิ่งเพื่อคนอื่นวิ่งเพื่อ11โรงพยาบาลวิ่งเพื่อทำให้ทุกคนได้ตัวเองนะคะล่าสุดไทยแลนด์เรคคอร์ดค่ะก็มีการบันทึกเอาไว้นี่คือคนไทยคนแรกที่วิ่งจากใต้สุดสู่เหนือสุดของประเทศไทย
Maybe the doctor did not read you the result like thoroughly. The doctor did not read you the result thoroughly. You have a high cholesterol too.
You read it.
Did he tell you that you have a high cholesterol? You say everything's fine except that you have to lose weight. But did he tell you that you have a high cholesterol?
He went through all the different.
No, did he tell you that you have a high cholesterol? You have to watch out for your cholesterol.
ถ้าเป็นฟันผลิตแอปพลิเคชันเอทามออนไลน์นะคะที่เราก็ปวดหันก็ปวดวีดก็ปวดอีกถ้าช่วยที่ปวดของคุณทำให้ปวดหลังแบบนี้มันชอบทนปวดหลังของคุณด้วยแค่ปิดไว้มันทำปวดคลายเสียง่ายเพียงแค่ดึงผมจากแล้วรอบเสียต่อ
Because one claim that this place is good. So I'm like, I'm wondering if he read you all the results.
He went through line by line with everything. He's like, you need to lose 10%.
Yes, but before
And
that,
then-
you have to watch out your cholesterol. You have high blood sugar, you have high cholesterol, you have high of the bad fat, you have low of the good fat. It's in there.
He said that you once you go and you take care of these, everything else is gonna
Lose
basically
weight.
balance it out.
Watch out your sugar levels.
ต้องมีเหงื่อมันเปลี่ยนไม่ได้แต่เปลี่ยนให้ไม่มีกลิ่นเหงื่อเราเปลี่ยนได้
แค่เปลี่ยนไฟกับแท็ก 3D คุณสภาพลดกลิ่นเหงื่อระหว่างวันบนท่าได้รายแรกคนไทยจะร้อนจะลุยจะเหงื่อมาทาก็ยังพร้อมสะอาดตลอดวันด้วยแท็ก 3D
Is that where everybody was going to?
Huh?
That place back there?
I don't know what's that place. This area is just been. It's actually never have this many restaurant before. This is more like a new hangout area. Oh, is that a kid? Look, a kid riding a motorcycle.
Well, you gotta get home. Mom's gonna be on that. Gonna be on
Right? Look at the size.
in the front.
Yeah.
Looks like
She
it.
looks like she's a kid. Kid?
ปีใหม่นี้สวมหมวกกันน็อกลดเร็วลดเสี่ยง
Me teenager.
กลับบ้านปลอดภัย เลือกถึงความสุขค่ะปีใหม่นี้เพิ่มความสุขด้วยการสดเฮลตี้แม็กงาทับวัสันเริ่มออร์แกนิกพีนัทบัตเตอร์ครีมงาดำทาขนมปัง
Happy New Year, Merry Christmas.
Keep eating whatever you want to eat, but add more veggie and fruit and fish oil.
จากการสำรวจของศูนย์ถูกโผล่พบว่าการเลือกซื้อประกันรถยนต์มีความต้องการดังนี้ครับที่ราคาดีลีสซิ่งราคาดีใครๆชอบ
พนักงานมาถึงเกิดเหตุเร็วสิชนปุ๊บมาป๊าต้องราคาดีไม่ต้องมาเร็วมาเร็วโอ้ยซื้อประกันรถยนต์ผ่านในประเทศ.com เถอะได้ทั้งคู่การันตีราคาดีเลยผ่านทางสายส่วนต่างมาปั๊บที่30 นาทีผ่านจบรับคูปอง 1,000 บาทและซื้อ2 7 7 7 7 7 ถ้าไม่จากอีสานที่ผ่านมาเราไปอีสานไปภาคกลางไปภาคใต้มาปิดท้ายปีนี้ที่ภาคเหนือครับท่านเห็นไหมครับขณะนี้เรายืนอยู่ที่วัดศรีชุมซึ่งที่วัดแห่งนี้มีเรื่องเล่ามีตำนานใช่พอทราบไหมครับนิดนึงครับด้านหลังของเรานี่คือวิหารของวัดศรีชุมนะครับซึ่งภายในวิหารนั้นประดิษฐานพระพุทธรูปองค์หนึ่งที่มีชื่อว่าพระปัญจนะความหมายคือผู้ไม่หวั่นเกรงหรือว่าผู้ไม่หวั่นไหวนั่นเองนะครับมีเรื่องเล่าสั้นๆว่าสมัยสมเด็จพระนเรศวรนะครับ
They just came out though.
No.
Looks like he's leaving.
Is there 8 lots available here? Yeah, lucky. Your luck's not working very well, baby.
It's working great.
Hmm?
It's working great.
Great.
Mm.
Oh, now.
Don't touch me. Can I get out?
No.
Brand new.
Big car.
I thought you were going to say something.
What else am I gonna say?
No.
Yeah, slow.
Thought popped into my head. Looks working for everybody.
Everyone got the space.
Not everybody.